Hello, dear students. Today we will talk about romantic poets John Keats and Wordsworth. John Keats is a famous poet who is known for writing odes. He has written many odes, for example, Ode to Autumn, Ode to Nightingale, Ode to Melancholy, Ode to Psyche, and many others. Wordsworth also wrote many odes, for example, Ode to Cuckoo, and we will also talk about Shelley. He also wrote Ode to Skylark, and Lord Byron also wrote a poem about in which he addresses to blue ocean or to ocean. So all these romantic poets addresses one thing or the other, and they talk to common objects like cuckoo, common birds, nightingale, cuckoo, skylark, and they talk about seasons, for example, autumn season, spring season. So this is their characteristic. This is the characteristic of romantic poets. They talk about common things in common language. So Wordsworth and Coleridge, in their collaboration, lyrical ballads, uh, uh, wrote about these things. Uh, so thank you so much.